Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. This is going to be a very quick one, and this is how this system works. I only use it on Crash 1000, Boom 1000, and Boom 500. The reason why I don't use it on Crash 500 is that it's very erratic. At times it doesn't follow pattern, and I've been able to achieve great success. What do I do? You open Crash 1000 in two places, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. Also, boom 1000 in two places, 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. You can see this is crash 1000, 1 minute, crash 1000, 5 minutes, boom 1000, 1 minute, boom 1000, 5 minutes. How do I trade it? Look at I only follow the arrow and my support and resistance with my trend lines. How does it work? Look at the mark here. Look at the support and resistance. I only wait for the support. I wait for the crash to happen. Then there's going to be a retracement. Once the arrow pops up, three candles. These three candles gives me 20 US dollars, 18 to 20 US dollars. Once the arrow pop up, I trade. The arrow always pop up at the beginning of the candle. Just three candles are okay. Look at three candles, three candles, three candles. They have been excellent. Occasionally, you might have a loss. I've not had any loss, but you might. Then I go to crash. Whenever it happens, just a candle about gives about 30 US dollars. Then presently I'm in a trade. Here you can see the arrow pops up and I actually enter the trade. Here. Then but before I enter this boom, I had already entered here. Also look at when the arrow pops up here, I enter the trade in three candles. When it popped up here, I enter in three candles. But now look at it here. And let us quickly look at something. Now, I told you this account was reduced to 866 US dollars in 2 days. Look at what it is now. And it has already given 44 US dollars for one candle on boom 500. So, but I will not allow this candle to close before I exit. Once it is 30 seconds to off, I'm going to exit. You can just exit here, keep your profit and stay away. Okay? Because this is boom 500. They actually move erratically than the boom 1000 of their counterpart. So I want to quickly show you uh, the history. Okay, the history of today history. Now this very one I lost here, it wasn't as a result of this trading system. I actually set a buy limit. The buy limit works. The buy limit and the sell limit. Look at what I told you. I exited the trade before. Look at the spike. I know what I'm talking about. Okay. So it's been consistent, you can see. And but because I added this strategy of the 1 minute time frame, it makes the whole game to be faster. Look at all I just wait for. I'm waiting for a pop-up here. Anytime from now, an arrow popped up, I will trade. And once the trade is taken, I would have made a target for today. Okay? And look at this. If you had taken the trade here, three candles one, three candle was taken here one, three candle one, three candle one. Now, this is a warning. I'm going to tell you in the real what's it called? In the when I release the real system. When I release the system, I will tell you about this area. Okay, I don't trade this area. Why I don't trade it, what I look out for, I will tell you. Okay, you are going to be having this trading system. I've told you for free, 5 days trial. Use it to make some money. Then you can use the money to order the system. You have not lost anything, for 50 US dollars, or you join the premium for 75 USD dollars for a week. I mean for a year. Now I will just wait for a retracement and a pop-up, then I will pay the trade again. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Thank you and God bless you.